Hi everyone, this is Susie. I'm going to be making smoothies this morning. They have blackberries from my brother-in-law's garden and orange juice and some yogurt, so it's really simple. You can make as much or as little as you want. What I do is I have my blender that cuts the rice, my Ninja. I'm going to put some yogurt in, make it a little healthier. 2 dollops will do. I'm going to use my blackberries. You can use fresh fruit or not. And then, so we have it, I add some orange juice so it'll dilute it and crush it up. Let's put the lid on. Power on. It's gonna be loud, so watch your ears. Let's add some more juice. Make it a little thinner. Now you can use, I use orange juice, but if you have other juices, or even water if you want to add, ice, it crunches up and make it thicker actually. But other than that, we have our smoothie. Nice and one and done. Good little treat in between working on your schoolwork. Have a good one. Bye.